This is our Seville room. This is just a quick overview. So this is the front door. This is what you see when you walk in. We just have a few of our shoes, just a bag of umbrellas, because it was originally raining when we first got here. To the left of when you come in, it's just a small bathroom or a toilet. Light switch is there. It's quite nice. This quite annoys me though, like why wasn't it? Could have been, a bit bigger. Hello. But yeah, so this is on the top floor. Oh my god, just mind my camera. So this is actually being filmed on my phone. It's not the best of qualities, obviously. So this is the top floor penthouse, if I remember. So it is got some space to it. So it's actually got quite high roof, so it does actually echo. Don't know if you can hear. So this is the kitchen. Just a regular kitchen, I guess. And then just one of these. I'm not too sure. I always, in all my like hotel apartment tours, I always get confused about what this is, but it is just a basic window. I think they never lead to anything. I think it's just don't ask. Best not to ask. So normal kitchen, big oven. We like that. We literally just came back from the shops, so oh my god, this should be quite full. I mean, we only have like 1.5 days left, I think, so it's nothing. We don't have to get lots of food because obviously we're fine. This is just living space. This is quite obviously where parents sleep. It's a TV. It has Netflix on, which is sweet, which is must. This is my room, and my suite. And I have tried making my bed, but I just sleep there, so it's fine, to be fair. Just some spare stuff, obviously. It's not even a room tour if I don't show this. My parents are outside, so there's sunbathing. That's just our terrace. Okay, I'm gonna stop it there because we don't need a lot of light. Basically, yeah. So just a normal room. It's actually quite big once again. This is the closet. Also have bits and bobs here, which is all my stuff: my headphones, charger, water, pajamas, and all that. Bag, cardigan. Because obviously we've just been on quite a big walk as well, so I don't really. This isn't the best time to be filming because I can't really be bothered. But hey ho. So this is my closet. My closet, I guess. So I've just got my jeans, shorts. This was very neatly done the other day, but obviously been undone. My tops. I think I've packed way too many things. So obviously I've underpacked in the past holidays. So I think I've packed way too many things this time. Because obviously we're only here for 4 nights, I think. So I've brought way too much. And then I have my dresses as well, which I love these dresses. I think I've taken a few photos in them already. I haven't worn this one yet, but should be wearing this one quite soon, either tomorrow or tonight perhaps. See if I'm feeling it. This is my little present for Ollie, so very nice. Lovely mirror here. Hello. Hairdryer, and I really don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, so this is obviously the bathroom. I really like this bathroom, to be fair. I think you can't see it on the camera, but it's actually got quite a high ceiling, which I think is quite good for a bathroom, to be fair. This is just my regular makeup, so I have mascara, eyebrow, just in case one ever fails on me. My Vaseline, lip oil, just regular, like one concealer. I don't wear a lot anymore, but ew. And then there's that mirror, which has a light here, but personally I hate those sort of lights. I quite like, oh, that's a bit random. I quite like, what are they? Sorry, I think I was meant to say the lights there is. That is either a daylight or a sunlight, I'm not too sure. But I don't like the white sort of lights. I quite like orange tones, just because personally they hide flaws and just make you look really tanned. So it's all good. This is quite a big shower. I've never had like a walk-in shower before. I don't think so anyway, in any of my hotel or apartments. Once again, random window, just open it. It's quite loud outside, I think, but it literally doesn't lead to anything, nothing important anyway. Oh. Okay. Yeah, so regular bathroom, apart from the fact it's actually quite nice, for once, lol. Sink, everything you need. Yeah, very good. So, let's move through the bedroom. I'll try not to capture my parents as much as I would like to get the whole balcony in. I'll try dodge. But, okay. So, this is the terrace. Balcony, terrace, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna quickly just zoom past them. So obviously that's the room. We just have the chairs, then obviously the big terrace wall. I can't see anything because it is quite sunny, but if I just step up onto here, this is the street if you can't hear, and obviously we're not meant to be able to see this view because of the wall around the terrace, but that's what the street looks like below. Actually got some quite nice views. There's like a tower that's actually very close. We walk past it every time we get into the apartments. I'm not too sure, so there's mum and dad. I think I've done everything out here. Oh, so let's just shut this, lock them out, what? But yeah, this is the apartment. I think it's actually one of my favourites that I've ever stayed in, because Seville, so we're currently in Seville. This is my 10th time in Spain. If you don't know, Seville's in Spain, or Sevilla, I'm not too sure what it is at the minute. But yeah, I have my hair up in little, I don't even know what this is. What I tried to make it anyway. Yeah, so this is the place. We're staying in, okay, so this is, I don't know what this is, priceless. Right, there we go, camera. Torre de la Plata, apartamentos. So that's fun. Yeah, I can't do Spanish. I do not do languages unless it's Italian. Right, let's see if this works. I don't know, I'm just messing around now. Ooh. Damn! Right, photography skills. So yeah, this is the place, nothing too snazzy, but then again, actually really decent. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this small room tour, and I'll see you guys in the next room tour, I guess. That'll be next year sometime. Don't know if it'll be Spain, Italy, I can't tell the future, but hope it's Italy again, because personally I need to work hard on my Italian accent, you know what I mean? Italian language and all that. Right, so bye guys, hope you enjoyed. I did. And yeah, so see you guys later. Bye bye.